Guess who's late for the car boot? Me! It's Talk 6 Wednesday. We're getting in there because I'm late and I'm going to be right at the back of that down queue. What am I going to do? Let's get in there. And it always rains when I ain't got my coat.
So silly, I don't have my window.
I should at least pack a coat in the car or something.
Exactly.
Luckily I've got me out.
It's not like we don't live in England.
Yeah, exactly.
Is it? I mean, for goodness sake.
Thank you.
I'm doing really well off the prints at the minute. So this one here, I've sold about 3 or 4 Epsom printers lately. So this Epsom one, right on my street, and I've got buyers for it. I really wanted this record player, but the back of it was totally snapped off, so it wasn't worth it, even for parts.
How much on the printer? £5. What about the box of books? Well, the whole crate. Crate of books. Yeah. Yeah.
20 quid.
20 quid for all of them?
Yeah. I'll take that.
Sorry, can I scrap that? Thank you. That's for that printer, buddy.
Okay,
Thank you.
Very windy out here today. This scales caught my eye, but with the battery compartment back not being there, and also the weight of it just wasn't there, so I thought the quality can't be either. So I decided to put this one back. I'm a bit of this store today. Usually got a lot better stuff. And yes, that is me just abandoning my trolley in the middle of nowhere. And again, I'd usually pick Crown Green bowls up, but both of these were different, so just double check those when you pick them up in the future. Make sure they're all like a full set. It should be a set of 2 and also a set of 4. One's for indoor bowls and one is for Crown Green bowls.
That's why you need a trolley.
I've bought 3 things, I filmed it.
You'll be going back to the car in a minute, won't you? Can't beat a karaoke machine. How much is karaoke? How much? 8 quid. How much is all cricket stuff down there as well?
I've got a tenner on that lot, but I do 8 quid on them as well.
15 for both? You were just thinking it, weren't you? I'll get boss money. Cheers, boss. Thank you very much.
Not the best of my buys for today. The karaoke machine just does not work, missing the microphone one time as well. You know, I've been lucky to get my money back on that one. The cricket gear, only bought because it's coming into cricket season. Hopefully I should be able to record some money for that one, but not the smartest of buys from me.
How much are your golf clubs? The McGregor ones.
What, sorry?
McGregor ones.
This one?
Yep. Whole set.
Money?
thinking 10 if I'm honest. But
Wait.
sent out to you.
Are there 15?
Is the Delsey, how far back does yours go? Is that little Delsey hard shell yours as well?
Show me.
Alright. I'll go and grab it and bring it. Yeah, no worries. Yeah. Can I do 15 for them both? Yeah. Sounds like a plan to me then.
Yeah.
No, it's alright. Yeah, buddy.
Or a triple.
Oh, triple. Mate, you're a star. Thank you very much. Does that include club in it? Would you do 20 for it all? Minus the 8 iron.
Keep it. Yeah, go on.
Yeah, sound. I can keep 8 iron. You don't want to take that home, do you? Cheers, buddy.
Must have been in a negotiating mood today, but also in a massive golf mood. It's been picking up some great golf gear here, and some that are already sold, so bang on to him.
Cheers, buddy. Thank you for that. Everything's a pound now. Is it? As soon as rain comes out, you quickly get in, don't you? Good God. What do you do? Shrivel up?
I'll be honest, I don't 100% know why I picked it up. I've got no comps for it, no solds, can't find it online anywhere, and it's just sat in my death pile. So I'm not 100% sure on this one, but for a pound, I decided to take the risk.
No idea what, buddy.
I'll take it.
Yeah, a pound. Yeah, that's fine. I've got to Is that just a speaker?
I have no idea. Let's have a look. I'll tell you in a minute. Yeah, it is. Yeah. No, it's all right.
Oh, you got to thank you.
Yeah, buddy. I've got 3 things, Woody, just on that pile there.
Yeah,
Thank
lovely.
you very
Thank
much.
Just the remote control. We ain't got the remote with it.
That's why it's only a £5.
It's pretty cool, isn't it?
It's worth a £5 for a kid to push around the floor. That's smart, I think.
I like that.
He's going to buy that.
You find a way, buddy.
I didn't think you would have told us this.
I got that last time.
But it's right tall. It is. You're really tall. I've been looking everywhere for you.
Oh, I'm glad you found me eventually.
I always watch you.
Oh, I appreciate it.
Yeah.
Thank you very much for watching.
Oh, no, God, you're tall.
I know. Because cameras at midway don't really do me any justice. I know. I get that every time. Someone come up to me the other day and went, I thought you were only in your 5 foot. I'm like, no, it's just the camera. It's just the angle.
You're moving just were watching you. We come out, didn't we?
Oh
Yeah, we just watching. Oh, we love it.
I've been back to car once, so as always, big bulky items.
Yeah.
Awkward ones to send, but they always do well.
Is this your job then? This is your job, isn't it?
Yeah, full time. Yeah.
Yeah. Well, it's called
No, it's
Christmas
good we
and all,
work
isn't
time,
it?
don't we?
Oh, yeah, I know.
It's always on.
It's
Always going on.
we push it on. So nice.
Oh, I appreciate it. Thank you for watching.
Well, it's very interesting things you get.
Well, I don't blame
Well,
you.
it's made my day today.
Well, I'm happy for that. Yes, thank you very much. See you later. I knew you'd get it. All right, I think. Steady.
Did you see the ping and the Nike?
Yeah, that's what I got, yeah, and I got the clubs in it. Go on after you. Cheers. Yeah, I managed to get it. And then, you know that store where you got the boombox from?
Yeah.
They put everything for a pan and started it raining. So I'm like, yeah. Yeah. I was like, all right, I'll start. I've been back once. See you in a bit, mate. So, went really well actually, really well. Even though I was late, there must not have been any golf resellers here today because there was plenty left. I started at the bottom, still stuff at the top. The ping bag, the TaylorMade Russell putter, night bag just needs the little tags on it, you know, for the zip. But I'll just get some of them for a couple of quid and put them on. Really good buy, 20 quid for them. I'll get that back in the putter. Everything else, just bread and butter stuff. Just hopefully easy sellers. You know, I like a large item. I don't know why, I've just got in the habit of buying them, but they're nice, easy sellers, and I don't mind the challenge of packaging them up. And then what else did I get? Oh yeah, the reason I got the old McGregor bag, reason one is there was some Callaway golf clubs in the bag, but also reason two is I've literally just sold that bag in a white and black version, so I know I can get 28 quid back from that straight away, and it'll probably go to the US. So yeah, not bad. I enjoyed Talksy today, really enjoyed it. So if you did, I know it's always nice to meet a subscriber as well, always nice, got a nice photo. Hopefully she tags me in it on Instagram and I can include it in this video, hopefully, fingers crossed. So if you did, if you like this video, hit the like button, hit that subscribe button, and as always, over and out from the Selling Dan.